munofara here pachipamwe tinokuchingamidzai paShonaland. In today's video, we are going to teach you Shona homonyms. These are basically Shona words which possess the same spelling but have different pronunciations and different meanings. So we'll take you through some of the most common Shona homonyms, and we'll use them in some Shona sentences so that you can get the different ways in which it is used, thereby grasping the meanings. Let's dive right in. The first homonym that we are going to go through is for the English word sing. So sing, when translated to Shona, it becomes imba, imba, imba. But when you also translate house to Shona, it also becomes imba, imba. So you can hear when we translate sing into Shona, it becomes imba, imba. You can hear the high tone that we are using when we are saying out this word, imba, imba, and we are not dragging it out. When we translate house into Shona, it becomes imba, imba, imba. So we are using sort of like a deep tone, and we are also dragging the word out. I know this is probably going to be one of the most confusing Shona lessons that you ever have, but bear with me. I'll try to explain and to be as slow as much as possible. So these two English words, when translated to Shona, they all get translated to this one Shona word. But what differentiates them in Shona is how you pronounce them. So the meaning is determined by how you pronounce this Shona word. Let's do some example sentences so that you can get a feel and understand how these pronunciations are done. You sing very well. In Shona, unoimba zvakanaka. Unoimba zvakanaka. You sing becomes unoimba. Sing, imba, imba, unoimba zvakanaka. Let's do the other one. Your house is beautiful. Imba yako yakanaka. Imba yako yakanaka. Imba yako yakanaka. Your house, imba yako is beautiful, yakanaka. So sing, it's imba. House, it's imba, imba. I hope that helps to cement the different pronunciations into your head. Let's go to the other word. The other word, small house. Small house, as in a tiny house. Small house, when translated to Shona, it becomes kamba, kamba, kamba. In this word, we are also using a high tone, and we are not dragging out the words. But when we translate tortoise into Shona, it also gets translated to this very same word, but you pronounce it as so. Kamba, kamba, kamba. Small house, it's kamba, kamba. Tortoise, it's kamba, kamba. So for tortoise, you can hear we are dragging it out, and we are using a deeper tone to say out the word. Kamba. Small house, kamba. Tortoise, kamba. Small house, kamba, kamba. Tortoise, kamba, kamba. Let's do some example sentences so that you can get a feel of how it is. You can get a feel of the pronunciation in an actual sentence. Look at that small house. In Shona, ona kamba ako. Ona kamba ako. Ona kamba ako. Look at ona. That small house. Kamba ako. Kamba ako. Ona kamba ako. Look at that tortoise. In Shona, ona kamba iyo. Ona kamba iyo. Ona kamba iyo. Ona kamba iyo. I know this is probably a bit confusing, but I hope you are getting the different tones of how you differentiate these two words in Shona. Okay, the next word. So when we translate nail into Shona, it becomes this word, and this is how you pronounce it. Nzara. 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 But on the other hand, if you translate hungry or hunger into Shona, it becomes Nzara. 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 Nail, Nzara. Nzara. Hungry or hunger, it's Nzara. Nzara. Let's use this word in Shona sentences so that you can get a feel. I like your nails. Ndinofarira nzara dzako. Ndinofarira nzara dzako. Nzara. Nzara. I like your. Ndinofarira. I like. Ndinofarira your nails. Nzara dzako. Nzara dzako. Ndinofarira nzara dzako. On the other hand, I am hungry in Shona becomes ndine nzara. Ndine nzara. Ndine nzara. I am ndine. Hungry nzara. Ndine nzara. Ndine nzara. I hope you grasp it. Let's go to the next word. When we translate dog into Shona, it becomes imbwa. 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 On the other hand, to be sung when it's translated to Shona, guess what? It's the same word, which is imbwa. 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 That's like someone saying about you. Imbwa. To be sung. Dog. Imbwa. Imbwa. To be sung. Imbwa. Imbwa. It's like with the high tone, and the E, it's like it's coming from your belly. Imbwa. Okay, let's do some example sentences. I like your dog. In Shona, ndinofarira imbwa yako. Ndinofarira imbwa yako. I like ndinofarira your dog. Imbwa yako. Imbwa yako. On the other hand, your name was sung yesterday. Your name was sung yesterday. In Shona, zita rako rakaimbwa nezuro. Zita rako rakaimbwa nezuro. Your name, zita rako, was sung. Raka imbwa. Was become this prefix raka, and then sung imbwa. Raka imbwa nezuro. Zita rako raka imbwa nezuro. Ndinofarira imbwa yako. I hope you get the different pronunciations here. I know it's a bit difficult, but if you watch this video more, if you repeatedly watch this video and listening to it, you'll get the pronunciation quite quickly. The next word, if we translate beer into English, it becomes doro. 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 On the other hand, wetland in Shona, it's doro. 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 It's the same word again. Beer, it's doro. Doro. The do is a high tone. Doro. Wetland, it's doro. It's now a low tone. Doro. Doro. Let's do some example sentences. Beer will make you drunk. Doro rinodhaka. Doro rinodhaka. Beer, doro, will make you drunk. In Shona, it becomes one word. Rinodhaka. Rinodhaka will make you drunk. Doro rinodhaka. Doro rinodhaka. On the other hand, rice is grown in wetlands. In Shona, that becomes mupunga unorimwa mudoro. Mupunga unorimwa mudoro. Rice in Shona, it's mupunga, is grown unorimwa in wetlands mudoro. In is this prefix mu. Mudoro. Mudoro. Doro rinodhaka. Mupunga unorimwa mudoro. Mudoro. I hope you get it. I know this is quite confusing, but just keep watching the video, or you watch the video 2 times, 3 times, listening to the different pronunciations. You will eventually get to grasp the different pronunciations. So I know it's confusing. The spellings are exactly the same, but the pronunciations are different, which makes the meanings of the word different. I hope these example sentences were helpful in making you understand the meaning of the word in Shona, therefore making you understand, or making the Shona pronunciation stick in your head as well. This brings us to the quiz section of this video, and the question is, what is the Shona translation of house and hungry? Choose between A and B. Try it out and see if you get the answer right. And the answer is A, which is house, imba, imba, hungry, nzara, nzara. I hope you got the pronunciations right as well. There are many more Shona homonyms like this which we haven't covered in this video. Let me know in the comment section if you know of more Shona homonyms which I have left out, or if you do have homonyms in your own language. Looking forward to hear your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. For the love of Shona, Ndatenda.